guys, welcome to Hudson Lighting. I'm Chris Hudson and this is another episode of The Workshop's a Mess, or Help, The Workshop's a Mess. So I'm just going to basically just give you a little update as to where we're at. I was busy doing a case for the cameras, etc., and there's a whole section underneath for GoPro bits and pieces, all being completely cut out, and I just need to print a body cap. So I'm going to print a body cap and get that sorted. We've got 7 printers working in there at the moment. There's one Mini on top, 2 Mark 3S's there, 2 Mark 3S's there, and 2 Mark 3S's there. I don't know where the 8th Mini is going to go, who knows. I'll show you the chaos that's going on downstairs, you guys. Max making the floor completely and utterly wet, as usual. Yeah. Again. Yeah. Jamie's cracking out the rods. And sorry mate, we'll get past. I'll show you what's going on outside. Right, it's not raining, which is good. And then there'll be Joe in the container. I'll show you the outside of the container quickly, in case you've not seen it. Joe's coming out. Green wall, cladding, sedum roof on top, if you can see. Yeah, so let's go and let's show you what's going on in here. There's Joe. And this is inside the container latest. We've got our anodising line starting to go in. I'm waiting for water to come so I can fill these up because they're 90 litres a piece. I've got a reverse osmosis system, but it's not enough to, it's so slow. That's 5 litres every 24 hours because we haven't got the pressure there. And anyway, this is our extraction booth. I'll turn that off. There we go, a little bit less noisy. Our extraction booth and our oven. So, you know, it was tight as planned kind of in here. It was pretty much to what I expected. I mean, the ultrasonic cleaner's not meant to be up there. That's meant to go back in the workshop. We've brought in our the old domestic oven that we used to use for the powder coating, and we're going to carry on using it because the big oven takes over an hour to get to temperature. So we really only want to use that when we're doing big batches of stuff. And at the minute, with regards to the powder coating booth, it's not working properly. Sorry, the booth is working fine. The gun and all the controls on the front here aren't doing exactly what they're meant to be doing. So we're going to carry on using the old gun, the old pneumatic one for now. And in fact, the pneumatic one's been working really well in here. So we've always got a backup, which is useful because, you know, recently, if you've been following any of our Instagram stories, you would have seen that we've got no live axis on the lathe. And it's caused us quite a big issue because we can't do ball joints, rods, path marker tops, path spike tops. So yeah, so I'll just quickly see if I can show you the live axis in here. Live axis is completely missing from the back there. So, and I don't know, where's the live axis? In that box maybe? Oh, it's in that box? Yeah. Alright, so it's in that box, yeah. Oh, no, oh, it's there? Yeah. Oh yeah. So there's the live axis. Just a bit of machined aluminium, but yeah, there's no live axis on the lathe at all. So printed a new sloop for the cable cutting machine. Still not got a pick and place machine working yet. So yeah, that's the latest. It's only 20 kilos, Joe. Anyway, yeah, so let me know what your thoughts are. I get, again, I've said in the title, the workshop is a mess. It's still a mess. I started in here at 6 AM this morning. I started tidying through bits and sorting stuff. In fact, that desk down there is new. I forgot to say that. So that's our new bot desk. That's for our soldering, but everything's a little bit temporary. It's not been set all the way fully up yet, so we've got that. And as you saw, kind of as we walked through, desks etc. have been moved around just to kind of give us a bit more space. So up here is really dedicated to just doing the 3D printing now, which is great because there's very little space in here. So you know, we've got to make the most of it, haven't we? But yeah, hopefully we'll get to move to industrial unit next year. Let's hope the orders keep coming in. Hope you guys keep ordering, please do. And then hopefully you'll see us move to industrial unit and we'll be able to have a nice little showroom. You can come in and have a tea or a coffee. Yeah, that's the dream, and it will happen. It will happen. Anyway, like, comment, let me know what you think. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. and we'll see you guys soon. See you later.